The Dead Skeleton Show.
Welcome to the Dead Skeleton Show. Today we will be unboxing The Bride from the movie Kill Bill. It is a Funko Pop, and we're going to take a look at it, shall we? Alright, what do we have here? We have The Bride from the movie Kill Bill, a Quentin Tarantino classic. You know, the Dead Skeleton loves Quentin Tarantino. That's one of his favorite directors. And being that he is one of my favorite directors, I have actually met Mr. Quentin Tarantino. Dead Skeleton. He got to shake Quentin Tarantino's hand. We have a Funko Pop of The Bride. Not the Bride of Frankenstein, but The Bride. Here's the Bride, and here is the Bride of Frankenstein. Oh, Bride of Frankenstein, I love the way you do your hair. Really? I like it too. I like your blonde hair. It's very nice and becoming of you. Why, thank you, Bride of Frankenstein. You're welcome, Bride! Hey, do you like to go to the mall? I love going to the mall! Oh my gosh, I don't want to interrupt things, but it looks like they're going to the mall. How else do you play with this thing? Well, you can find other Pops named Bill, so she can kill them, right? Alright, let's see. What do we got here? We got Bill Murray. I'm gonna kill you, Bill Murray! I don't think so. I'm going to bust you. But I want to kill somebody named Bill, so I'm going to kill you, Bill Murray. Wait a minute. Why do you want to kill Bill Murray? I'm the most lovable person in the world. No, you're not. I did not like that movie where you played a clown and you started stealing stuff with Randy Quaid and Gina Davis. Not a good movie. All right, what else we got here? We got Billy from Saw! Hi, Billy from Saw. I want to play a game. I don't play games, Billy. So just back off, or I'm gonna shove this knife so far up your... Bilbo Baggins. You're not Bilbo Baggins. You're Frodo. Yeah, but Bilbo is another Bill, so do you want to kill me or not? No! Get out of my face! Okay, so what do we got? We got Bill from the movie It! I'm Bill from the movie It! Hi! Do you need a flashlight? No, I've got a knife! I've got a backpack too! Do you need a backpack? No! I got a knife! Looks like a sword to me! Could you shut up? Get out of my face! Or... also from the movie It, you can get Pennywise, who's played by Bill Skarsgård. Hey, Bill Skarsgård! What are you doing in all that makeup? That's a great question. I don't know, but I want to eat you. You can't eat the bride. That's exactly what you do to the bride. You eat her. No. Okay, that's it. What else we got? We got Bill Goldberg. Who's next? You're next, Bill Goldberg! So just get out of here, okay? Go wrestle somewhere. Alright. What else we got? We got Bill Cipher! Hey, Bill Cipher! Hey, Bill Cipher! What do you want? Bride? I want to kill you! Why, because my name is Bill? Yes! But look at me. I have the same skin tone as your hair. Oh, you kind of do. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. All right, you go over there, Bill Cipher. Okay, what else we got? We got SpongeBob. Hi, SpongeBob. You gonna kill me? No, I'm not gonna kill you. Well, why not? Because your name is Bob. I don't want to kill Bob. I'm killing Bill. No, you gotta kill Bob. phone booth. Look, it's Bill S. Preston Esquire and Ted Theodore Logan. I'm gonna kill you, Bill. No, you're not, dude. We just came back from the future, and we need to bring you to our science project. Oh, why didn't you say so? Let's go in my phone booth. Okay, let's go in the phone. Oh, you look so hot, Bill. I know, thank you very much. Let's not tell Ted about this. Okay, let's go. Okay, or, what else we got? We got Mr. Bill. I'm Mr. Bill. No, Mr. Bill, Mr. Bill, Mr. Bill. Mr. Bill, Mr. Bill, Mr. Bill. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Oh no, Mr. Bill. Mr. Bill, you died. Oh no, I'm Mr. Bill, and I'm dead now, and I don't know where I'm going. Oh, the bride, she wins again. Oh yes, the bride, she wins. What else we got? We got Bruce Willis. Look at this, it's Bruce Willis. We both have swords. Look at this. I got a sword, you got a sword, we're sworded. Okay. Oh my god, so much fun. I think that's it. I think that's all we got for today. Well, I hope you enjoyed my review of The Bride from Kill Bill. I really gotta turn the smoke machine off because the dead skeleton is having trouble breathing and even more trouble talking. So if you like this video, comment below, leave a like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then find me on Instagram, and maybe you can see more wonderful dead skeleton shows. Yeah.